In today's fast-paced and fiercely competitive business world, the key to success lies in continuous learning and skill development. Professionals need to constantly upgrade their skills and stay abreast of industry trends to remain relevant and competitive. This is where Bilal Consultancy Limited steps in, offering a wide array of certification programs tailored to meet the evolving needs of professionals across various industries. Certainly, here's an expanded version. Explore Bilal Consultancy Limited's premier certification programs. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, professionals must continuously seek opportunities to enhance their skill sets and stay relevant in their industries. Bilal Consultancy Limited stands at the forefront of professional development, offering a diverse range of certification programs designed to empower individuals and organizations across various sectors. Let's delve into the details of some of their flagship programs. Lean Manufacturing and Six Sigma, accredited by ILC UK and CSCP USA. Bilal Consultancy Limited's Lean Manufacturing and Six Sigma program, accredited by ILC UK and CSCP USA, stands as a cornerstone for professionals aiming to revolutionize organizational processes. Participants undergo intensive training to master methodologies that streamline operations, eliminate wasteful practices, and drive overall efficiency enhancements. By combining lean principles with Six Sigma methodologies, participants gain a comprehensive toolkit to identify and address inefficiencies, ultimately driving sustainable improvements in quality and productivity. ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, 27001, etc. Lead Auditor Training, accredited by Exemplar Global US. Another standout offering from Bilal Consultancy Limited is their ISO Lead Auditor Training, accredited by Exemplar Global US. This comprehensive program equips professionals with the skills and knowledge necessary to conduct audits effectively and ensure compliance with international standards such as ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and 27001, among others. Through a blend of theoretical learning and practical exercises, participants develop a deep understanding of audit principles, processes, and best practices, enabling them to lead audits with confidence and precision. Additionally, this certification opens doors to diverse career opportunities in auditing and quality management across industries worldwide. Nebosh, Occupational Health and Safety. Safety is paramount in any workplace, and Bilal Consultancy Limited prioritizes it by providing Nebosh certification, focusing on occupational health and safety. This comprehensive program equips participants with the knowledge and skills necessary to ensure a safe working environment for all stakeholders. Through rigorous training, participants gain insights into risk management, hazard identification, regulatory compliance, and best practices for promoting health and safety in the workplace. Nebosh certification not only enhances participants' competence in managing occupational risks, but also demonstrates their commitment to creating a culture of safety within their organizations. Business intelligence and data analytics. In the era of big data, proficiency in business intelligence and data analytics is indispensable for driving informed decision-making and gaining a competitive edge. Bilal Consultancy Limited offers a comprehensive program tailored to equip professionals with the skills needed to extract actionable insights from data. Participants learn advanced techniques for data collection, analysis, visualization, and interpretation, enabling them to uncover trends, patterns, and opportunities within complex data sets. By mastering business intelligence and data analytics, professionals can optimize processes, identify market trends, and make strategic decisions that drive business growth and innovation. PMP and CSCP trainings. Project management and supply chain management are critical domains in today's dynamic business environment, requiring specialized expertise to ensure successful outcomes. Bilal Consultancy Limited provides rigorous training for project management professional, PMP, and certified supply chain professional, CSCP certifications, empowering professionals to excel in their respective fields. The PMP certification equips participants with the knowledge and skills needed to lead projects effectively, from initiation to closure, while adhering to industry best practices and standards. Similarly, the CSCP certification covers essential concepts in supply chain management, including logistics, procurement, operations, and strategic planning, enabling professionals to optimize supply chain processes and drive organizational success. CISCO Cybersecurity Training, accredited by CISCO USA. Bilal Consultancy Limited's CISCO Cybersecurity Training Program is designed to equip participants with the knowledge and skills necessary to tackle modern cyber threats head-on. Accredited by CISCO USA, this program provides a rigorous curriculum that covers a wide range of cybersecurity concepts, tools, and techniques. Our accreditation partners. Bilal Consultancy Limited takes pride in its strategic partnerships with globally recognized accreditation bodies, ensuring the highest standards of quality and credibility in our certification programs. Our accreditation partners include National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health, Nebosh. Nebosh is a leading global organization providing health, safety, and environmental qualifications. Accreditation from Nebosh adds significant value to our certification programs in occupational safety and health, ensuring that our participants receive training that meets industry-leading standards. Organization for Tourism and Hospitality Management, OTHM. OTHM is a UK-based professional awarding body specializing in qualifications for the tourism and hospitality sectors. Accreditation from OTHM reinforces the quality and relevance of our certification programs in these industries, preparing professionals to excel in diverse roles within the tourism and hospitality sectors. Exemplar Global. Exemplar Global is a renowned certification body specializing in auditing, quality management, and environmental management systems. Collaboration with Exemplar Global enhances the credibility of our certification programs in areas such as auditing, quality assurance, and environmental management, aligning them with international best practices. Skill Development Council Canada. Skill Development Council Canada, SDC, is committed to promoting skills development and certification across various sectors. Our partnership with SDC Canada ensures that our certification programs meet the rigorous standards set forth by Canadian industry stakeholders, enhancing the employability and global competitiveness of our participants. CISCO. As a global leader in networking solutions and IT infrastructure, CISCO's accreditation lends credibility to our certification programs in networking, cybersecurity, and IT management. Collaboration with CISCO enables us to offer training that aligns with industry-leading technology standards and prepares professionals for success in the rapidly evolving field of information technology. Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, CSCMP. CSCMP is a leading global association for supply chain management professionals. Accreditation from CSCMP validates the quality and relevance of our certification programs in supply chain management, logistics, and operations, equipping participants with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in today's complex supply chain environments. International Lean Six Sigma Institute, ILSE. ILSE is dedicated to promoting excellence in Lean Six Sigma methodologies and practices globally. Accreditation from ILSE underscores the effectiveness and rigor of our Lean Six Sigma certification programs, preparing professionals to drive process improvement initiatives and achieve tangible results in their organizations. Through our partnerships with these esteemed accreditation bodies, Bilal Consultancy Limited ensures that our certification programs meet the highest standards of quality, relevance, and global recognition, empowering professionals to advance their careers and make a meaningful impact in their respective industries. Benefits of Bilal Consultancy Limited certification programs. Expert faculty. Our certification programs are designed and delivered by industry-leading experts who possess extensive experience and knowledge in their respective fields. These instructors bring real-world insights and practical examples to the classroom, ensuring that you receive the most relevant and up-to-date education. Practical learning. We prioritize hands-on experience and practical skills development in our certification programs. Through interactive sessions, case studies, simulations, and project-based learning, you'll gain the proficiency and confidence to apply your newly acquired knowledge directly to your job role or projects. Flexible learning options. We understand that professionals have diverse schedules and learning preferences. That's why we offer a range of flexible learning options to accommodate your needs. Whether you prefer traditional in-person classes, the convenience of online courses, or a blended learning experience combining both, we have a format that suits you. Global recognition. By choosing Bilal Consultancy Limited for your certification needs, you'll earn credentials that are globally recognized and respected by employers across industries. Our certifications signify a high level of competence and proficiency, enhancing your credibility and career prospects on a global scale. Networking opportunities. Engaging in our certification programs provides you with valuable networking opportunities. You'll have the chance to connect with fellow professionals, industry experts, and potential employers, expanding your professional network and opening doors to new career opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship relationships. Through group discussions, collaborative projects, and networking events, you'll forge meaningful connections that can benefit you throughout your career journey. For professionals seeking to elevate their skills and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape, Bilal Consultancy Limited is your trusted partner for world-class certification programs. Contact us today to embark on your journey towards excellence.